I asked, you answered. The next beer we're brewing is the American Cream Ale. Those of you that answered my YouTube post about which beer to brew next, thank you very much. So we are going to brew the American Cream Ale next. Let's go. This extract kit is certainly something different. There is absolutely no specialty grains in this kit. This is literally an all extract kit along with some extras. I'm gonna tweak the recipe to my liking just a little bit. This recipe states put the liquid malt extract in first, boil for 40 minutes, add in some then dry malt extract and corn sugar, and then finish boiling. I'm basically going to do it the other way around. I'm going to do the dry malt extract first, do my main boil, and then at 20 minutes left I'll add in the liquid malt extract and the corn sugar. We'll see how it goes. This is going to be just a simple, light, easy drinking beer. We have 3.3 pounds extra light liquid malt extract, 2 pounds of Pilsen Light dry malt extract, 1 pound corn sugar, 1 ounce of Willamette, 1 ounce Willamette hops. This goes in at 60 minutes. 1 ounce of Chech Saaz hops. This goes in at 20 minutes left in the boil. Simple brew day. My most amount of time is going to be dissolving the malt extracts and heating up the water. Our yeast eater is simple Safale S-05. Let's see how this turns out. Just reached a boil, adding the Willamette hops. "40 minutes is up. Time to add the liquid malt extract, which I pre-dissolved, the corn sugar, and the Saaz. The reason the corn sugar and the liquid malt extract were added late is because the recipe wants to have this beer be as light of a color as possible. So there's less chance for any type of caramelization or Maillard reactions with the sugars being in the heat for a shorter period of time. In 20 minutes, we'll cut the heat. It's been 7 weeks since I bottled the cream ale. Let's see how well she aged. Smells good. Now a cream ale is, in this example, probably the best, closest one I can find of that's a big name would be a Spotted Cow. Look at that beautiful color. Man, it's very clear. Look at that. Nice off-white creamy head. Lots of nice bubbles. Smells good. There's a slight hint of corn flavor in there. This came in at 5.4%. Oh, that's good. That's very good. Apparently I got a bee nearby or something. It's a good summer sipping beer. I hope you all had a good summer, as did I. So, this is the beer where I took the cream ale recipe and I split it in half after main fermentation. So the other half is still fermenting with the strawberries. So that'll be getting bottled really shortly here, and we'll get a taste on that. And as for this one, I did 1.5 ounces of priming sugar, and I think this carbed up just great. Not too much, gave a nice pour, but yet this is completely crushable. Good summer sipping beer. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. You want to be notified of more videos, hit that subscribe button. Till then, I'm Bradley with 2B Brewing, and I'll see you next time.